Okay, here's everything plugged in. First of all, this is the new AC adapter that came with the new board. This is the old adapter that came with the old board. That's what's currently plugged in and powering. If I turn this on, you'll notice there's no hum, no noise, just a little bit of amp noise. That's about it. And there is sound running through this. So it's not altogether quiet. And of course I have a noise gate on, so it's canceling that. Anyhow, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug in the new AC adapter. And let you see what that sounds like. I'll go ahead and hold that way. Now, if you notice, immediately we have this whining hiss. If I turn off the gate, you can really hear it. It doesn't go away whether it's on or off. If I unplug it, immediately stops, and you'll notice both of these other 9-volt pedals are on and making no noise. So, like I said, this new power adapter, for some reason, on the 18-volt only, does not seem to want to work. It makes a horrible noise, and there you have it. Thank you.